2026 Corvette Zora stands as the culmination of decades of American automotive ambition, an audacious declaration that the future of performance doesn't belong exclusively to Italy, Germany, or Japan. It belongs to Bowling Green, Kentucky. Named after Zora Arkus-Duntov, the legendary engineer who envisioned a mid-engine Corvette long before it became reality, the Zora takes that dream and pushes it to a level that even he might never have imagined. This car isn't just another high-performance variant, it's the ultimate Corvette. One that fuses gasoline and electricity, raw power and fine-tuned precision, muscle and modernity into a symphony of speed, unlike anything that has ever worn the crossed flags. At its heart lies a powertrain that blurs the lines between combustion and electric propulsion. The Zora pairs a twin-turbocharged 5.5-liter flat-plane crank, E8, derived from the ferocious LT6 engine of the 06, with a front-mounted electric motor for an all-wheel drive system that delivers nearly 1,000 horsepower. It's not merely about straight-line brutality, it's about surgical control. The instant torque from the electric motor fills the gaps where turbo lag would normally live, giving the Zora a throttle response that feels telepathic. The result is a car that rockets from 0 to 60 in just over 2 seconds and can challenge hypercars costing 4 times as much. Chevrolet engineers have fine-tuned the torque distribution to allow for uncanny balance, enabling the Zora to pivot around corners with agility that belies its power. Visually, the 2026 Corvette Zora announces itself with confidence and restraint in equal measure. The stance is wider, the intakes more aggressive, and the lines sharper than ever before. Aerodynamics play a central role, from the active front splitter that adjusts in milliseconds to optimize downforce, to the rear active wing that subtly changes angles to maximize stability during high-speed maneuvers. Every vent, every crease in the carbon fiber bodywork serves a purpose. The Zora doesn't need flashy gimmicks. It relies on functional beauty, the kind of design that whispers its intent rather than shouting. It's as if the Zora has matured beyond the flashiness of its predecessors, adopting an understated menace that commands respect rather than demands it. Step inside, and the cabin reveals a space that bridges race-bred minimalism with futuristic luxury. The cockpit wraps tightly around the driver, with a central digital display that can transform from performance telemetry to comfort mode with a simple command. The steering wheel features a squared-off design reminiscent of Formula One, yet ergonomically perfect for everyday driving. The materials are top-tier: Alcantara, carbon fiber, brushed aluminum, and leather stitched with precision. The Zora even introduces active seat bolsters that adjust dynamically through corners to hold the driver in place, a feature borrowed from the world of aviation. Every control is placed exactly where it needs to be. This is a driver's car, built by those who understand what it means to chase perfection 1 millisecond at a time. But the Zora's brilliance doesn't end with speed or design. It's also a testament to engineering foresight. The hybrid system isn't an afterthought. It's integral to the car's personality. The regenerative braking system harvests energy effortlessly during deceleration, feeding the small but potent lithium-ion battery pack that powers the front electric motor. In stealth mode, the Zora can even glide silently through urban areas for a few miles on electric power alone. A subtle nod to environmental consciousness without sacrificing the car's feral instincts. It's a Corvette for a new era, one that respects the traditions of thunderous power while embracing the inevitability of electrification. On the road, the Zora delivers a driving experience that borders on supernatural. The steering communicates every nuance of the pavement. The suspension adapts instantaneously thanks to the next-generation Magnetic Ride 5.0 system, and the car feels utterly planted no matter the conditions. Switch it into track mode and the Zora transforms into a precision instrument. The exhaust note shifts from a deep guttural roar to a high-pitched scream that resonates with the ferocity of an exotic racer. The hybrid torque vectoring system makes corner exits feel almost unfair, distributing power with digital precision to maximize grip and acceleration. Drivers report that the sensation of speed is so intense, it almost feels like time compresses, a phenomenon that only true hypercars can induce. Chevrolet hasn't just built a faster Corvette. It has built a statement of intent. The Zora challenges the idea that American performance cars are blunt instruments. It brings sophistication to the raw and intelligence to the muscle. Its software is as advanced as its hardware, with predictive traction algorithms, over-the-air performance updates, and AI-assisted telemetry analysis for track enthusiasts. It's a car that learns its driver, adapting over time to refine its responses. In many ways, the 2026 Corvette Zora represents the fusion of human and machine, the purest expression of what modern performance engineering can achieve. And yet, despite its advanced nature, the Zora retains something deeply emotional. It still feels like a Corvette. That sense of freedom, that rebellious streak that has always defined America's sports car, is alive and well. It's in the way the car breathes with the road, the way the V8's voice still dominates when you open it up on a deserted highway, and the way it connects the driver to something primal and timeless. The Zora doesn't erase the past. It honors it, while boldly racing toward the future. Production of the 2026 Corvette Zora is expected to be limited, ensuring exclusivity while maintaining Chevrolet's tradition of offering unmatched value. In a world where hypercars from Europe regularly surpass multi-million-dollar price tags, the Zora delivers nearly identical performance at a fraction of the cost. This democratization of speed is part of what makes the Zora so revolutionary. It's not built to be an untouchable artifact for the elite. It's built to be driven, experienced, and adored by those who truly love cars. As the automotive world accelerates toward electrification, the 2026 Corvette Zora stands at the crossroads of tradition and transformation. It's proof that progress doesn't have to mean compromise. It's an icon reborn for a generation that refuses to choose between passion and innovation. The Zora isn't just the future of the Corvette, it's the future of American performance itself, a living legacy roaring toward tomorrow with the unmistakable thunder of destiny.